Hey A-Team, it's your Captain Terrain, All Terrain Cleaning Solutions LLC. Visit us online at allterrain.com for the supreme clean. Make that phone number ring.
Bye.
Bye. My beautiful wife just drove off. You can see the job. Okay. We got Big Bertha. That's our big girl right there. She holds steady in the wind, and got the wing lats all situated up there. So we're gonna mount the roof right there. So it goes this plane right here. All right, can you see right there? That stretch. And we have gutters along the back side right here. The back side right there. And then we come around. We also have, to show you the other side here, we have this U-shaped gutter set right there. Got stuff sticking out the gutter right there, and right there it comes down. And then again, here's the other first story plane. We have to make our way up here somehow, but we're gonna clean the first level over the garage. So that way, once we, it's not just a slogan, it's really the motto. For the Supreme Clean, it's not just a slogan, it's really the motto. It's really, our statement of fact that we want to provide stellar services. If you're in the Sacramento region, don't hesitate to give us a call. All right, A-Team, it's your Captain Terrain. I'm up top, All Terrain Cleaning Solutions, LLC. Visit us online at allterrain.com for the Supreme Clean, the schedule for your roof soft wash, gutter cleaning. We're here doing a gutter cleaning on this two-story. We did the bottom plane right there over the garage as mentioned in the prior video. Now we're up on this north-facing plane on the top story. You see moss and lichen and algae. So this can certainly use a roof soft wash. Let's go over here and take a look and see what we have here. In this area here, you see leaves. Let me zoom in right there. Leaves all up in there in that gutter line. That's the other first level. Down there, I'm looking at the first level. If you look at the gutter line, when you come back up, this is the second level right here, and then it rises up to this pitch here. Take a look over here, see what we got. We don't suspect it to be too bad back here because we don't have the trees like over the gutter line, but we do have some heavy buildup right in here. You can see that. Looks like almost like moss and debris and stuff, so we'll have to get all that out of there. Matter of fact, we move this to over here. I don't want that water getting in there because it makes it heavy. Put this one down this way. Continue. You can see right there, not too bad. Some dirt and debris. Stuff inside of there. Get that out. And then we have this back stretch right here. And just a little debris, we'll be able to blow this out right here. All right, so that's our job that we have cut out for us. Closer, that's what that looks like right there. Have some lichen along the ridge caps. Some light algae right here. And the same thing with this one here. We do have some debris right up in here, right? But for the most part, and we have some debris towards the other end over there. So we're getting ready to go ahead and fire up fire the pressure washer up and get all this stuff out of here and get it taken care of. But we'll be back with the after photos. Stay tuned. Okay, A-Team, here's the after video and photos of this two-story gutter plane. We have two more planes on the first level that we're going to take care of. If you look down there now, look what that looks like. Nice and clean. After we scoop everything out, what we do is we come back and we rinse them out. All right, with our nozzle and our pressure gun, and we shoot and make sure all the downspouts are flowing good. I'll give you a good look here. All the downspouts are flowing really. The hose here, so that one needs to be rinsed right there. So I'll come back with that one, and then this little section needs to be rinsed. So anyhow, we stop the video for now. Here we are rinsing the backside out. Continuing on. Aim it. That's going towards the wind. But it's shooting all the way to the tip down there. You can see it. And that concludes for the Supreme Clean. Visit us. All right, A-Team, it's your Captain Terrain. We did this gutter on the first level. We did that over the garage. Did the whole top on the second story, as you've seen in the video. Now, made our way up onto the other side of the house on the north part of the house, but the part where the tree's at covered all these leaves, and I just pushed the branches over, and here I'm going in. We try to go as far as we can, and sometimes if it's super extreme, then not really much that we can do. But this is our neighbor, and I mean, we do this for anyone. We come out and do service, whether you're a neighbor or not. We clean every home like it's our home, and we meticulously make sure that we try to get into the nook and cranny. But this obviously needs what you call some leaf and tree abatement, so we can get this. The owner says he's going to get this cut back, and then probably have me come and do a roof wash. But so we have like a 20-foot pole right there. I'm trying to get as much as I can pushed over there to the other side of all this foliage right here, and so where I can get to it and have access to get all these leaves out of the gutter here, because they're pretty high up. But anyhow, just wanted to let you know that so you can kind of get a visual of it. Again, we go the extra mile for that Supreme Clean. You know the slogan. Visit us at allterrain.com for the Supreme Clean. Make that phone number ring. Talk to you guys in the next. Hey, that's the Supreme Clean. All right, we'll catch you guys in the next round. If you look all the way down there, now look at it. All right, there's light. They say what they say is light at the end of the tunnel. All right, take care, everyone. We'll catch you the next time. The A-Team, All Terrain Cleaning Solutions LLC. Visit us online at allterrain.com. Talk to you.